Okay, everyone. I just want to walk you through today's lesson. One of the things that we talk about is having two different windows open. There's two different ways to do that. You can go through your document and hit that plus sign up at the top, and then you're able to, toggle between the two. So if this is my assignment on Schoology, I can go to the website. Or you can, depending on what kind of a computer you're working on, you can actually have two separate windows open. So that's really how I'm doing it because I find it a little bit easier to navigate the questions. But I wanted to walk you through kind of how to actually do the assignment. So the first thing is you have to come up with a claim. So you have to write it in the form of a complete sentence. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to preview so you can see what I would write actually. So I'm going to start my attempt. So what is your claim? Write in the form of a complete sentence in the box below. So on this ProCon website, okay, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look for a topic that interests me. I'll go with, let's go with free college, just because why not? I think it's a pretty neat idea. So what is your claim? Well, do I think college should be tuition free? Maybe, maybe not. So maybe my claim will be something like college tuition. Actually, maybe write that. Public college tuition. Public college tuition should be free. Okay, so if that's my claim, so it should be free. Now I have to go and look on this website and you're immediately going to see pros and cons. So you have more than one pro and con with each one of your arguments. And so you have to go through and kind of pick, well, which one do I think is truly the one that's the best evidence or the one that I understand the most, because sometimes these are a little bit difficult to follow. But you have to choose which ones work best for you. So if my claim is that it should be free, then I'm going to be looking on this pro side to support myself, right? If you think that college tuition should not be free, then you would be using this side to support your argument. But on the website itself, the bold print, that's actually the reason. And then underneath of that is where you're going to find your evidence. So a pro reason, so something that supports my claim that college tuition should be free, is that it'll help decrease student debt. Economy and society has benefited in the past. Everyone deserves the opportunity to get an education. I would pick one of those, and I think the one that I like the best is that everyone should have the opportunity to have further their education. So one reason everyone should have one reason college should be tuition free is that everyone deserves an opportunity to have a college college degree. Okay, college education. So if that's going to be my pro reason, okay, now I have to find some evidence. So here's my reason, and underneath I'm going to look at all of this information, and I'm going to find the one that I think works the best. So what pro reason supports the fact that everyone deserves a college education? Rapid rise of tuition has limited access to higher education. Let's see. High school, according to college graduate. I'm reading through these myself, sorry. Let's go with college graduates earn $570,000 more than a high school graduate over a lifetime on average, and they have lower unemployment rates. Okay, that's going to be my fact. And actually I have to start here where it's according to, because that tells me the source. So a piece of evidence to support the claim is, and then I'm just going to put my quotes, so literally I'm just kind of copying and pasting it right from the site, right? And we told you didn't have to actually use a citation. We know where you're getting the information. Now I have to look at the counterclaim. So the counterclaim is going to be taking my claim, so I'll go right up here. Public college tuition should be free. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to add the word not, because now I'm going against it, right? And a con reason, so something that goes against the claim and it supports the fact that college should not be free. So I'm going to go on this con side here. Okay, my con options are tuition-free college is not free college, and students will have large debt. Taxpayers would spend billions to subsidize tuition while other college costs remain high, or tuition-free college will decrease completion rates, leaving students without the benefits of a full education and degree. That's the one that I'm going to choose, and the reason I'm going to choose it is it actually goes, directly against that pro, and that's probably the best way to go about completing this assignment, is to figure out, well, which pro am I going to use, and then look at that con and, make sure that they match up. And so a con reason would be one reason public college tuition should not be free is that completion rates will decrease. And that's really, so tuition-free college will decrease completion rates, leaving students without the benefits of a full college education and degree. I'm just going to leave it at one reason public college tuition should not be free is that completion rates will decrease. And then maybe you can add another sentence, or you could add on to this one. I'll just put a comma, and I will actually put leaving students without the benefits of a full education, college education, we'll put. Okay, so that's my reason. And then I have, you don't have to really find the support for that right now. You just had to give us the reason. So that's all your assignment has to look like. Your evidence for the piece of evidence can really just be that introduction part, and you can just take mine, right? A piece of evidence to support the claim is, and then take the quote from the ProCon website, okay? When you write your con and you're looking for a reason, that's this bold part in black. So one reason public college tuition should not be free is that completion rates will decrease, leaving students without the benefits of a full college education. And I took that from there. I probably could have reworded it a lot better, but you can put yours into your own words. Make sure you proofread, make sure you're doing everything in complete sentences. Thank you.